Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix error 1015. You are being rate limited error. So guys, to resolve this problem, just change browser. If you are facing this problem on Chrome, so try to access that website on Edge. So just you have to change browser, hopefully it will work. Second method, change your network connection. If you are using some particular network like Wi-Fi, so change Wi-Fi network. And if you are using Ethernet, so change your Ethernet network. Still you are facing problem, so reset your network. Click on Start, Settings, Network and Internet. Here click on Advanced Network Settings. Then click on Network Reset and reset now. Hopefully after this reset you will not face. Hopefully after reset you can fix and resolve 1015 problem on Windows. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.